Good. Today we're here working on a project with Washington County and Wild Mountain. And Dan, could you tell us a little bit about what we're doing today?
Yeah, so thank you to Pollinator Friendly Alliance and Wild Mountain for coming out to help with this today. This project right here is a turtle fence that was originally installed back in 2014 with the help of Washington Conservation District, the county, and then a group called Minnesota Herpetological Society. And they were able to document amphibian herpetological mortality that was occurring on this road, on County Road 4. And from that data and research, they put in this turtle fence. So right now the turtle fence has reached its age, and we're fortunate enough to be able to replace it here shortly with the help of Pollinator Friendly Alliance, Minnesota Herp Society, and also Wild Mountain helping with the removal of the fence. So
that's a perfect segue. So Nathan, can you tell us a little bit how you guys got involved from Wild Mountain?
Yeah, for sure. We've been working with Lori and Pollinator Friendly Alliance for the last year and a half maybe, doing a couple projects down in Stillwater, and we got asked to work on this project, and this is a cool project, different than what we've normally been working on, for sure. So,
Dan, so you said it's a turtle fence. What does that mean? Why are we fencing turtles?
Yeah, so the turtles actually come from down this wetland system, and they want to come up to the road and go to big marine lakes. So the fence prevents them from going up onto the road and actually channels them to a tunnel that you'll see, I'm sure, in a clip. There's light that shines through the tunnel, and then the turtles go through it.
Nathan, what is Wild Mountain?
Hey, we are a ski area, and then we also have a water park and some alpine slide and go-karts in the summer. So we're just a recreation area up in Taylor's Forest.
So why is it important for Wild Mountain to be involved in a project like this?
You know, we just want to support the community. We also want to support pollinators. We practice that at Wild Mountain. We've got some pollinator gardens there as well. We just want to support that around our community. So.
Nice. Dan, how does it benefit the county to have turtle fencing?
So there's many benefits. So the first benefit is from a roadway safety standpoint. When this fence leads to less people stopping on the road, where it's a 55-mile-an-hour roadway, which can be dangerous, especially when people are distracted, maybe on their phone. So preventing more wildlife going up onto the road prevents future accidents. So there's that reason. And the second reason for this project, there's a state-threatened turtle called the Blanding's turtle that you lose one, that's a huge impact on their population. So the more we're able to channel and get across the road safely, the better.
Sounds like it's great, from the recreational possibilities it has for the citizens of the county to simply safety and practicality to creating biodiversity, which is what we're part of at the PFA. It seems like all of our goals come together on a project like this, and thank you so much for your work and your volunteers and all the sweat and labor that everyone's putting in today. Thank you.
Go Turtles!
Turtle power!
Turtle power! What are you guys doing?
Saving turtles.